Hannah, you've been a customer of A Greener Clean for some time now. Would you tell me what attracted you to initially reach out to me and ask for that house cleaning quote?
Yeah, as a busy homeschool mom and entrepreneur, I found that even though I'm home most days, really didn't have the hours to dedicate to having my home clean the way I wanted it to be. So I vacuum every day and kind of wipe down surface areas, but things like mopping my floors and the bathrooms, they just were not being kept up with the way I want to.
And compare us to other service providers in the area. What stands out with our company?
Well, I have two children and four cats, so it's very nice knowing that the products that you use are non toxic and safe for our pets. That was very important to me. I also really trust your cleaning crew. My cats do not go outside, and I trust that when your girls come in and out of my home, that they're mindful of my cats being there in the home as they're cleaning, and I appreciate that.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. So, how does that make you feel, and how does that improve your life when you come home to a clean house?
Well, it feels great to come home to a clean house knowing that I didn't have to spend all day to get that result. It's been done for me. So it's very freeing. I'm able to use those hours that I would have spent cleaning, spending time with my family, or working in my business, which is really important to me.
Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me today, Hannah.